any brides who want to look their best for their big day, as we all do, they should start thinking about it as early as possible. If we've got a year to work with, then we can really get things looking good. So although that there's makeup artists on the day and hairdressers, it's really important to get a really good canvas to work with. And the better that canvas is, the better things will be on that day, the better the photos will be, and the better you feel about the way you look, the better time you're going to have. I think that brides should start preparing a good year in advance if they've got that much time up their sleeve. If they have a year to work with, there's a lot that we can do to make them look their best for their day. So a year before, I'd start thinking about getting them into a really good skincare routine. So mainly involving SPF protection every day and some good active ingredients. So in addition to good skincare, we can start thinking about other things like laser facials and some anti-wrinkle injections. And if we start a good year in advance, we can get the exact pattern that will look the best for your wedding day. So if a bride was to come to me 3 weeks before her wedding, it'd be really difficult for me to get the best result possible. So that's why it's really important to plan ahead. So other cosmetic treatments that we can offer people, it depends on how long we've got. So if we've got at least 6 months to a year, we can offer more makeover treatments, especially for our more mature brides. So other than addressing just the skin and the wrinkles, we can also address volume and contours and lift. So there are a multitude of things that we can do. We can volumize with fillers or fat or biostimulators, and then we can lift using threads. We can also do other heavier skin treatments like laser peels or resurfacings, and then that gives you enough time for your skin to really recover and to really get the benefits, because often it takes several months before you really see the final result. So what would be ideal is if a bride came to us a year in advance and we started doing baby doses of anti-wrinkle injections and laser facials every 6 to 8 weeks. So then we get gradual improvement whilst looking really natural. And so she'll look just smiley and happy and natural and not overdone for her big day. So in the month before the wedding, hopefully all the skincare regimen and everything is completely perfect for you. So I would suggest 2 to 3 weeks before, have your final laser facial and anti-wrinkle injections. And then leading up to the big day, just stick to your normal routine. Don't try any new products. Don't go and get a facial that you've never had before, because you just don't know how your skin or face or anything is going to react. So just stick to what you know works best in that time. So equally, the men need to get their skin in tip-top condition. So they can do the exact same things as females can do. We can do regular laser facials and baby doses of anti-wrinkle injections leading up to the day, being really careful that we don't feminize the face. Similarly, if we want to look after the contours, we can do that in a way that looks very natural and that won't feminize him, so he will look masculine and beautiful for the big day.